guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. For today's video, I will show you our decoration during Global Citizens Week or International Week. Our class represents the beautiful country of Mexico. Mexico is home to the second largest coral reef in the world. There are 68 recognized languages in Mexico. Mexico City has the second most museums in the world. Mexico has 35 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Day of the Dead's La Catrina was created as a satire. Mexico has the largest university in Latin America. There's a park with ruins from the Mesoamerican pre-classical period. The flag is full of symbolism, volcanoes, and methodology. Mexico brought chocolate to Europe. Mexico is home to one of the world's largest pyramids. Mexico is land of extremes with high mountains and deep canyons in the center of the country. Mexico is rich in natural resources like oil, silver, copper, and agricultural products. Its economy boasts a rich diversity of agricultural crops, highly productive oil fields, a growing manufacturing base, as well as a strong trade with the United States and Canada. Three staples in the cuisine of Mexico are dishes of corn, beans, and chilies. Chilies mean the hot peppers. So what type of music is most common in Mexico? Of all the music associated with Mexico, mariachi is the most nationally prominent. It is distinguished by the instrumentation and arrangement of the variety of genre it encompasses. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you on my next video. Bye!